Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project online examination system. And I have developed this project in Python, Django, and MySQL. And the version for the Python I am using is the Python 3.7, and Django version is 2, and MySQL version is 5.6. For connecting MySQL with Python and Django, I am using the MySQL connector, or you can use also PyMySQL for connecting the database, means MySQL with Python and Django. So these server-side technologies I have used for developing this project. For front-end development, I'm using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also have used, like for form validations, for calendar integrations. These all things I have used the jQuery libraries. Also, this is the Bootstrap theme, and it's a responsive theme. Means if you uh, open this URL on mobile or the tab or the bigger screen, the screen will be not be distorted, right? This is not 100% Bootstrap theme, but yes, we have used the Bootstrap templates and Bootstrap CSS for making it Bootstrap, right? So let's start with the functionality, go through what we have developed inside this project. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is simple sober home page. This is the about project, right? And this is the about the project. There are two types of login system. It's a major project: the student login and the teacher login, right? The student login means a student can log in and give their exams. This is a tutor login, from where tutor can log in and add the questions and see the results. This is a contact us page, and it's a static contact us page. I'm not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. This is a real Google map. You can see this is the Google map. Okay, so I'm going to log in as a tutor first. So the user ID is admin and the password is test, right? So once tutor login, then tutor will get this dashboard and he can perform these operations, right? So he can add the course, questions, users, reports, student reports, question report, result report, my account change password and log out, right? So I'm going through this all models one by one. So home already explained you about us. I already explained you. This is the dashboard. Admin, this is the add course, from where teacher can add the course. This is add question, from where teacher can add the questions of that course, right? And this is a add new user, from where tutor can add the user. So this is the multi-role based user system. Here, if a tutor select a tutor, then he will be able to add the tutors. If tutor select the students, he will be able to add the students, right? Okay, so this is a new user report. This is a tutor report. All of the tutor which is available in the system will be displayed here. Even you can edit it and update it also, right? This is the result report, from where tutor can see all of the results, right? So you can see Jay Sharma has attempted the exam and he is failed, and the course name was Python and 0 out of 4, right? Once he click on the view result, he will be able to see the result of the students, right? That what the answer he has selected. This is a student report. All of the students who has registered on the system will be displayed here. Even you can edit and update the details from here also. This is a course report. All of the course which is available in the system, which has been added by tutor, will be displayed here. You can edit and update the details here also. This is all questions. All the questions which you have added will be displayed here, and you can see this is the course name, right? And this is the title of the questions, right? If even you if you want to edit it, you can edit, and you can update the details here, right? This is a my account, right? From where tutor can update his account details, and the last one is the change password. From here user can change the password, right? And the logout. So once tutor click on the logout, then session will be destroyed, and the above session driven menu will not be displayed, right? So you can see this is the session. This is the some administration option is displaying. Once I click on the logout, then you can see none of the administration menu is displaying. Now I am going to log in as a student. So the user ID is student and the password is test. Right. You can see the above menu is rendering according to the student level. Right. You can see here. Right. There is no add course add. So if student will be able to see course list and my result, and update is in my account and change password. Right, and this is the dashboard is also different according to the user. Okay, so I'm clicking on the course list, so you can see this is the 5 courses which are available in the systems, and this is a no questions uploaded. PHP programming, there is no question. Java, there is no question available, right? JSP. And Python, there are question available, but exam has already attempted by the user. This is the last one is Django. Once you click on the Django, then you can see there are a lot of options available here. You can select the correct option according to your choice, according to the question. And once you click on the submit, then you will get the result. Then you can see you are failing all of the questions, and this is the your answer, and this is the correct answer, right? Okay, so this is the result of the student, right? Once he click on the course list, then he will be able to see the exam attempted already. Right, my results. Once he click on the my result, he will be able to see that what's the result is, and once he click on the view results, he will be able to see all of the results here, right? Okay, this is my account already. I told you from here a student can update his account details and change password. From here, a student can update his account password and the logout functionality. Once he log out, then administration menu will not be displayed. So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project online examination system. And as I told you earlier, this is a Python, Django, and MySQL based major project, right? And if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate the changes and I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.